Nalmala Hills are located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The coastal tract of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu is called Coromandel. The highest Indian waterfall is Gersopa, Karnataka. Which Indian state has the second largest coastline? Andhra Pradesh. Indian Standard Time relates to 82.5 E longitude. The length of India's coastline is about 7,500 kilometers. Where in India can mushroom rock be found? Thar Desert. Badland topography is characteristic of Chambal Valley. Indian desert is called Thar. लोकतक is a lake जो कि मणिपुर में है. Which one of the following state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. The pass located in Himachal Pradesh is Shipkila. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, lies in the state of Assam. Thar Express goes to Pakistan. Kanchenjunga is situated in Sikkim. The northeast of Deccan Plateau is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The southern tip of India, Indra Point in Nicobar Island. Important fishing harbour in India is Cochin. The largest brackish water lake of India is in the state of Odisha. Arakan Yoma is the extension of the Himalayas located in Myanmar. The Valley of Kashmir is located on a nepe. What is the main reason for the peninsular rivers to flow towards east? Eastern Ghats are lower than the Western Ghats. Palk Strait separates India and Sri Lanka. Diego Garcia is an island in the Ocean Indian. Mansarovar Lake is situated in Tibet. Guru Shikhar on the Abu Hills is the highest peak of which mountain ranges? Aravallis. Kullu Valley in India is famous for the cultivation of apples. Which of the following hills connect eastern and western Ghats? Nilgiri. An example of horseshoe-shaped coral island in the neighborhood of India is Lakshadweep. Which is the highest peak to the south of Vindhyas? Anaimudi. Which place is closest to Tora Bora? Jalalabad. Mansarovar Lake is situated in China. In which of the following states in Jog Falls located? Karnataka. Which of the following places will not get the rays of the sun vertically? Srinagar. The fertile land between two rivers is called Doab. The coast that belongs to Kerala is known as Malabar Coast. The Jojila Pass connects Srinagar and Leh. The eastern coastal plain is also called as Coromandel Coastal Plain. The sea which existed in the place of the Himalayas was Tethys Sea. The Palk Strait lies between Bay of Bengal and Gulf of Mannar. The Kullu Valley is situated between Ladakh and Pirpanjal. Who prepares the topographical maps of India? Survey of India. Godwin Austen is an peak. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak of the Aravallis. In which state is Jog Falls located? Karnataka. Jojila Pass connects Leh and Srinagar. Palghat joins which of the following states? Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The southernmost point of India is Indra Point. The northern part of the west coast is known as Konkan Coast. Central highlands of Indian peninsular block are formed of igneous and metamorphic rocks. In which state is Guru Shikhar peak located? Rajasthan. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Chilka Lake is situated in Odisha. The highest peak in India is K2, Godwin Austen. Saddle Peak, the highest peak of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, is located in Northern Andaman. India's area is about how many times larger than Pakistan? 4 times. The place Sabrimala is situated in which of the following states? Kerala. Which Himalayan peak is also called Sagarmatha? Mount Everest. A narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses is called isthmus. Tiny marine animals which constitute limestone skeletons are called coral reefs. The highest mountain peak in peninsular India is Anaimudi. The Greater Himalayan is otherwise called as Himadri. The highest waterfall of India is in the state of Karnataka. Which of the following is referred to as Young Fold Mountains? Himalayas. Which is the highest plateau in India? Ladakh. The easternmost peak of Himalaya is Namcha Barwa. Metamorphism changes rocks, structure and texture. What is the total area of India? 32,87,590 square kilometer. The two richest ecozones of India are the Himalayas and Western Ghats. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep? 36. Niyamgiri Hill is located in Kalahandi district, Odisha. Panchmadi Biosphere Reserve is in Madhya Pradesh. Which hill station's name means place of the thunderbolt? Darjeeling. To conserve coral reefs, the Government of India declared one of the following as marine park: Gulf of Kutch. The headquarters of the Survey of India department is located at Dehradun. Name the state which has the longest coastline in India. Gujarat. Which of the following is formed out of volcanic eruptions in India? Deccan Plateau. The plateau that has both west and east flowing drainage system is Malwa. Tropic of Cancer passes through which Indian states? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम. मैप में इन सभी स्टेट्स को एक बार देखें, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. अ ट्रॉपिकल deciduous plant special to the Deccan Plateau is sandalwood. If in the east it is Guhar Moti, in the north it is Siachen Glacier, then in the south it is Indira Point. Which of the following rock formations resulted in Eastern Ghats? Charnokites, granite gneiss, quartzite rock, khondalites, metamorphic gneiss. The Himalayas are also known by the name of fold mountains. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Narmada River. The outermost range of Himalaya is called Shivalik. Continuous chain of mountains that rise abruptly more or less parallel to the coastline of India is Western Ghat. India shares longest international boundary with which country? Bangladesh. The Himalayas is the example of fold mountains. Which of the following areas or regions is most prone to earthquakes? Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Which country is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar? Sri Lanka. Where do the Western and Eastern Ghats meet? Nilgiri Hills. The longest sea beach in India is Marine Beach. Nanda Devi Peak is located in which state? Uttarakhand. The Andaman is separated from the Nicobar by which water body? 10-degree channel. The range that acts as watershed between India and Turkestan is Karakoram. The northern part of the west coast in India is known as Konkan coast. The mountain range which divides the north and the south India is Vindhyas. Mount Abu is a hill station located in ranges of Aravalli. The latitude passing through the northernmost part of India is 35 degree N. In which state the Mekala या Mekal range is situated? Chhattisgarh.